How to export and import project archives in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I created a project and added some media to it, and I want to export and import project archives with all its media. Click on the Home button. Right-click on the project and select Export Project Archive. Set the name and location of the archive and click Save. In the opened window, select the files you want to export. Here I check only media files and uncheck render and proxies because sometimes they have large sizes. Now our project archive is exported. Now let's restore this project archive. Right-click anywhere empty and select Restore Project Archive. Select the DRA archive folder and click Open. And now the project archive restored successfully with all my media in it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.